Welcome to iClick and Print. This demo will show you how to print posters or projects for foam board, project board, or poster board using photo paper with a layering technique. To start, choose a background under photo paper that matches the size that you want to print. You can also search for the poster board you purchased by typing the item number in the search bar above. This background represents the full-size poster you want to print. Start by clicking the Choose Layers button at the bottom of the screen. By adding layers, you can create a full-size printout of your poster using standard size photo paper. In this case, we've selected 8.5 by 11 photo paper, oriented portrait. The guidelines seen here represent the sheets that will layer your project. To start adding the photos for your project, click on the Add Image icon in the top navigation bar. Select the appropriate file from your image. You can resize and reposition any image you insert by simply dragging and dropping. In this case, we will stretch this image to fit the width of the poster board. If you do not wish for an image to overlap on multiple sheets, simply keep an image within the guidelines of one sheet. Next, we are going to add a second image to fill up our poster. When you are ready to print your poster, click Print in the top navigation bar. If you are printing many or large-size images, it may take a few minutes for the print file to prepare. Since we are printing on photo paper, click on Properties to make sure that your document is set up correctly. If you have specific settings for photo paper, select them. Make sure to select Borderless Printing so the pages of your document will not print with a white border. Finally, make sure that the page size is 8.5 by 11 and that the orientation matches the orientation you selected initially. When you've made all the necessary adjustments, you're ready to print your poster. In addition to making posters of full-size photos, you can also make many creative projects using photo paper and the layering technique. In this example, we will make a poster for a child's birthday party. Add a text message to your poster by selecting Create Text in the top navigation bar. To edit the text in a text box, first highlight the text and then use the features in the right-hand menu to customize it. If you want your message to be highly visible from a distance, we recommend using a large, bold font and stretching the text box across the entire width of the poster board. Using shapes or Clipart can be a fun decorative addition to a poster. You can access these features in the left-hand menu of iClick and Print. You can copy and paste Clipart or shapes using the copy and paste icons in the top navigation bar. Like with images, you can easily resize and reposition any shape or Clipart by simply dragging and dropping. In this project, the happy birthday text currently overlaps 2 pages. If you would prefer that your text doesn't overlap on multiple pages, simply adjust it so that it falls within the guidelines of one sheet. When you are satisfied with the positioning of your project, click the print icon in the top navigation bar. In Properties, set the photo paper settings for your printer accordingly. Check the paper size, page orientation, and finally make sure that you have Borderless Printing selected. The Borderless Printing settings vary by printer, but in most cases you can check whether or not you have it selected under the Paper Quality tab. When you've made all of the necessary adjustments, you're ready to print your project. When you next log into iClick and Print, you can always return to your Save projects using the Save Template button. Thanks for using iClick and Print. Please contact our customer service team if there's anything you need assistance with.